Alright, we're going to do a little video today on the inner wheel, or inner fender, wheelhouse, call them what you will. Specifically the layout of the battery tray here. This is for 77 Camaro, but probably applies to most second-gen Camaros. So try and take some careful pictures of everything here, so anybody that cares can kind of screen grabs or whatever, get an idea of the layout of all these pieces and how everything goes together, and take some measurements. Nice cool day here in California today. It's been so blazing hot. It's pretty nice now. Alright, I'll flip it over and do the other side later, but to give you the ideas from there's a little ridge that runs down here, so from the peak of that to the front here is 8 inches. You can see all the curly cues here. This lines up with the front of or the back of the core supports. You can get all the layout of this from somewhere, but this is a little tricky to do here. I'll try. It's about, what, 3/8 of an inch right there, offset on that. And this is probably a little bent out of shape right there, so that's probably not right. I'm going. Sorry, this is not going to be super easy here. Let's see, what else can we measure from there? Let's see, from there, that's 10 inches from there. So that's this little corner right here. So there's a little dimple there. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there or not, but that's 10 inches from there. From about the center of that bracket to the front, it's about 10 inches. This bracket here, if you're missing this bracket, it's a little less than an inch that way. Total dimensions on that, it's what, 2 13/16, just a little bit over there. And then it'll come down this way. Height of this guy, it's about 1.5 inches from there. From the front here to where that little offset is, that's about 3 inches. The length of that whole thing itself is about 3 inches. From here up to here, it's about 3 inches. That whole offset there, it's 7/8 of an inch from the edge to the center of that. Center to center on this guy looks like 4 13/16. Distance back again, we'll go from that little ridge right there to the center of that one. 4 3/16. This whole guy here from that little tip right there to the front, 9.5. Whole distances, you can get these off of the fenders and everything else, but we'll measure them anyway. What we got there? It's 3 7/16 from there to there. From the back one to this one is 7 1/4. That should be the remainder of those. Looks like 3 3/4-ish. This guy is 1.5 inches there. This is a little tricky here. There's a ridge right there. It's about 2 1/8 to the tip of that ridge. That distance there is, let's take this one first. So where the corner of those two pieces meet, there's just about 1 inch. And then go there, I guess, all the way out to the edge. Way out there is 1 3/8. Let's see, what else? From the front here, That guy's 1.5 inches tall again. And this little gap here is 2 inches by 5/8 probably. Radius on these guys, can we get a guess at the radius there? It's maybe about a 1/2 inch radius on these guys. That little dimension there's 1/2 inch from here down to from the outer edge to the radius corner right there is 3 inches. Inner edge here to the outer edge, 1 3/8. Let's see what else. Let's flip it over. And what do we have here? Let's see. This part, let's see, let's do that. So that's about 2 1/8 from there to that edge there. Up at the top here. Where's that ridge again? We use that ridge. Sorry, this thing's moving around on me now. That's about 2 inches. Down here at the bottom, that little piece right there is 2 1/4. What else? We got all there's let's just take a shot at the detail here. Let's see what's going on up there. We got the 3 pieces of metal all overlaid together. Okay, that's good. Let's see how this comes together down here. I have a little welding to do here myself. Shot of this, but there you go. Hopefully that gives you all the information you need. See the other thing, if we can measure this, the depth of that guy there. Like, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch maybe. That's pretty hard to measure, sorry. Okay, there we go. Hopefully somebody out there on the internet finds that useful somewhere. Like I said, try and take some stills here so you can make screenshots of it or whatever if you need to. Anyway, thanks everybody. See ya.